Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 就 step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's get started. 就 just at once. Even if 就好了 if only Here's a sentence. If only I were a bird.如果我是一只鸟就好了。如果我是一只鸟就好了。我是一只鸟就好了。If only I were a bird. Now follow me to 就 Write 就 in cursive. 就如果我是一只鸟就好了。If only I were a bird. 就 just at once. Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 就. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.